Winning the national championships, the SCCA Runoffs, was a dream come true, something that never in a million years I ever imagined would have happened.
900 drivers fight for the national championship title at the SCCA Runoffs. 900 cars will start, but only 18 drivers will get the coveted gold medal.
You have your top-tier program, which is the Hoosier Super Tour, which takes you to 10 great tracks.
Last year we were at Indianapolis Motor Speedway, which is legendary. Let me fucking tell you, the Hoosier Super Tour is the highest level of amateur racing in the country.
You can win the Super Tour championship, and if you don't do so well, boy, you can always come to the runoffs and get yourself a national championship.
At the high level of amateur racing, we have the Hoosier Super Tour, and that's 10 events around the country, and during the season we accumulate points to win an overall championship spot. But the runoffs are different.
We are here for the 60th running of SCCA's National Championship Runoffs.
The runoffs is the winner take all. Everybody comes to one track and we all see who did their homework.
It's kind of like a big week-long party.
Only the best and fastest drivers in each class are invited.
And it attracts a lot of pros.
Full of energy, full of excitement, and it takes a lot of balls.
Put the pedal down.
This weekend, the Sports Car Club of America returns to America's National Park of Speed for the 62nd edition of the SCCA National Championship Runoffs.
So racers spend all season racing to qualify for the runoffs, and the runoffs is the culmination of a season-long effort, showing up to race against the best of the best across the country.
You might be doing great in your region, you might be doing great locally at your favorite track, but you go to the runoffs, it's the best drivers from the entire country. It is all the top contenders here. If you can do well at the runoffs, then you know you're the real deal.
When it's all on one race, everything has to happen. Your car's got to be exceptional. You've got to be in the best shape. You've got to have done all the background work. And you better have luck on your side too.
I think it opens doors. I think if you do well here, have a good showing, certain doors start to crack open.
And you know, if you win, you're the national championship. Like, that's it. This is the big time.
At the runoffs at Road America, the top 22 drivers qualified in under a second. I mean, how amazing is that?
Yeah, it's a poor start for Bruni. He's got 3 wide now with at least Kowalski, and I think Moroso got a run up there as well. Leveroni also going 3 wide.
You literally can be a hero one day and a zero the next.
Paul Newman, Mark Donahue, Roger Penske, and Bobby Rahal all won the runoffs. They are legends in the sport.
The SCCA runoffs.
That's the Olympics of amateur racing.
The Olympics of amateur racing.
That's the Olympics of amateur racing.
We did it, brother! We did it, brother!
Some of these racers have been racing their entire life to clinch a runoffs championship. To win the runoffs is a dream come true.
What would I give to win the runoffs? Oh boy.
I'm not going to say I want to give everything, because that would basically be selling your soul to the devil, right?
Listen, I go far, far, far with this, right? I mean, this has been a dream come true for a long time. I mean, I cried that whole half.
That was just superb teamwork, no question. You know, he's been in this game a long time. Look at Intron, I don't think he can believe it.
My mom's a time at score. My father, who passed away just this last year, is for him. So, he did everything for SCCA, so it takes a lot to get here, you know?
Fuck yeah, I'd give my legs to win the runoffs. Are you shitting me? You want a hand too? I would be willing to give up a Mustang.
I want it for myself, and I want it to prove to others that I'm capable, and I want to prove my parents that, I'm a star.
It's been an absolute pleasure to have you with us here at the SCCA National Championship Runoffs.
May the best man win. Or woman.
Every amateur racer has a story. Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on-track content.